past that actually export was the main driver of growth for a lot of countries. The main reason why we wanted to have this event was actually to enable our clients with the same resources that we actually have internally.
So in the event today, we also talked about loads of tools and ways that we can help you make this more successful. So there's several ways. We can show you, for example, what the consumers care about in different markets, what's the GDP per capita. There's various different metrics we could look at for you to really learn more about these markets.
A couple of years ago, when Italians spent money online, they would actually only spend it on Italian online retailers. But as of last year, almost 50% of the Italian euros spent online were actually spent on non-Italian websites.
There is a huge demand globally for actually story-based selling. Nobody out there will pay you for the generic manufactured good, of a commodity, an extra premium. What they will pay you is for something that is unique.
Because they come from a place of a child which imagines the impossible. And that's exactly where we want to be as adults as well.
And really, no matter where you're located and what market you're located in, there's a big world out there, so everybody could be a global company. And we want to help you to build that global strategy and just tell us what you need.